I'm Rhian and I've just won the Apprenticeship of the Year for the Childcare section. I had been working in childcare for quite some years, and then I sort of changed the path I was going in, but still in childcare. And then I wanted to progress in my career and move up to management, so that's why I decided to do the apprenticeship, so I could work and learn and progress in my career. I work for Anglesey County Council, and they've been great support in getting me onto the apprenticeship and helping me do everything that I need to complete the apprenticeship. And it was a difficult time with the last apprenticeship to get through because of COVID and everything, but everybody's been really supportive and done everything that they can to help me to get to the end of it, and it's been really good. I've done 2 apprenticeships with Wendy being my assessor. She was a really great support. She has really helped me, but she's also really pushed me to make sure that I do learn everything and I do reach my full potential. She makes sure that I do everything really thoroughly, but I feel like I've really learned working with her, and we've just built a really good relationship. She's great, she's lovely, she's really helpful, and I was really pleased working with her. I'd like to say to anyone who is thinking of doing an apprenticeship that, I was really nervous to start off with. I thought, can I do it? Can I balance the time between work, my kids, and doing an apprenticeship? And I was nervous, but I went for it, and you can do it. You can work and you can keep working and do the apprenticeship at the same time, so you don't have to stop working to learn. And you can fit it around your family and every day, and just go for it, because if I can do it and get it done, then anybody else can as well. I would say don't worry about how old you are and whether you've just finished school, or if there's something that you want to do, you can still do it. There's no expiry date on when you can go out and learn, so I definitely would recommend, don't let that part of it hold you back. If there's something that you want to do, go and do it.